Today I'm here to officially talk to you about what 6 months looks like after total knee replacement surgery for me. I'm going to give you the good, the not so good, the things that surprised me, and the would I do it again question, because that's something everybody asks. And as I continue to feel more like myself, I'm really looking forward to working on my channel and focusing on the everyday life, what life looks like at this stage in life, and the cooking, everyday content, and just fun, really relaxed type things that I'm really looking forward to sharing. So at 6 months, I can honestly say that I'm in a better place than I was before surgery. The pain that led me to the surgery is so much better. It's pretty much gone. My day-to-day life has become more manageable, walking is better, and I'm able to do so much more because I'm not afraid of that pain hitting me. As you all know, if you're experiencing this, it just impacts your life in such a negative way. And when you're living it and going through it, you really don't realize the impact of it when you're just dealing with it because you're in the moment, right? But the after and now looking back, I know that really made a huge negative impact on my life. So being able to move around, the pain, now stairs are still a little bit of a challenge for me. That's just me though. So I am not comfortable going up and down the stairs still, one like after the other kind of thing. I still step down one, go down the other. Step one down, one, go down the other. Again, that's just me. The strength is there in my legs. I'm just really nervous. I don't know why. I know that it's going to come and I know it's going to be okay. And it doesn't matter. If I need to go up and down the stairs, I can go up and down the stairs way better than I could before. And there's no pain. You know what I mean? So that is huge over everything else. So if you're thinking that 6 months, everything is going to be magically back to normal, it's not. It's not for me anyways. And I think for most people that I've talked to, it's not. There's still some things that are not at 100%. This is a 12 to 18 month recovery. And honestly, I went into it thinking the same idea. 6 months, I'll be, running laps kind of thing. No. But for me, the stiffness still shows up. That's the biggest challenge for me. Some days it's really tight, and other days it's great. Sometimes it depends on the weather, right? If I don't do too much, I can definitely feel more stiffness. And they say motion is lotion, and it is absolutely 100% true. So even on the days you don't feel like doing stuff and, your knee's tight or you just don't want to, it reminds you, right? It's just a constant remind you that it's there and that you have to move. So just get yourself up, get yourself moving, push through the stiffness, not to the point of pain, but push through that stiffness in gentle motions, and it makes a huge difference. The recovery is still in layers, and it's going to be that way for months still to come, and I know that. But I know that there is sunshine at the end of it because I'm feeling it. One of the hardest parts for me was just realizing how long recovery is. Because again, in my mind, I thought, by 6 months, you hear things like 6 months is the magic number kind of thing, right? But it's not. You're not done your recovery at 6 months. And even if you're the type of person that is doing phenomenal, you have no stiffness, have no achiness, you have nothing like that, your body is still healing inside there. This is a major surgery, and your knee has gone through a lot of trauma. Not just your knee, but your leg has gone through. So the physical and emotional side of it, you're still recovering from. And another surprise was that feeling better doesn't mean you're done. So it's good on those good days. I have more good days than bad days now, which I'm happy to say at 6 months. But you can be improving and still have hard days. And like I said, I can have days where, I'm moving around great and, feeling awesome. And the next day it's like, oh man, why am I so stiff? And you get yourself a little frustrated, right? But it's okay. You just have to understand that this is part of the healing process. So don't get frustrated. Just focus on the positives and just keep yourself moving forward. So the big question, would I do it again? And my answer is absolutely yes. If you had asked me this at, 4 weeks or 6 weeks, I probably would have said no, absolutely not. I'm never going through this again. But at this point, and now that I see the light at the end of the tunnel, yes, I would absolutely go through it again. And I may have to. I may have to get my other knee done, because 9 times out of 10, if you have one done, you're going to need the other one. The thing I really, really noticed is I was having pain in my right knee because I had my left knee done. And I was having a lot of pain in my right knee. And I thought, oh my gosh, you can't give out on me. I need you to be my good knee while this one's being, done. But since my recovery's been happening, I noticed my right knee is like doing phenomenal. Knock on wood, but it's doing phenomenal. And I think it's just the exercise from doing my left one, because obviously I'm doing it on the right one as well. But I also think it's because now the pressure's not being put on my right knee like it was, because it was kind of compensating for the left knee, right? And now that it's not doing that, it's taken a lot of that pressure off of it. So it's really, really made a huge difference in my right leg. So I'm hoping it'll be years before I have to look at, a surgery on that leg. But would I go into it again? Yes. This time though, I would go in with realistic expectations, understanding what the recovery process is and how important certain aspects of your recovery are, like, elevating and doing your exercises and that type of thing, So going in the second time, I think will be definitely easier because my eyes are going in wide open. The first time you kind of are, treading in unknown waters and it's tough. So yes, I would absolutely do it again. And if you're on the fence thinking, should you have it? And if you're dealing with pain and discomfort and you just don't want to go through that because it is a major surgery, please, please, please talk to your doctor and really seriously consider this. It's going to be work. It's going to be hard, but it's going to be worth it in the end. And my biggest piece of advice for anybody, if you're considering going in to have this surgery or if you're in recovery right now, is don't compare yourself to anybody else. Okay, like you're going to see things online, you're going to see things on YouTube, you're going to see things on Facebook or whatever it is you're seeing, a neighbor, whoever. Don't compare yourself to them because we all progress differently. I progressed differently than people I saw, and I fell into that pit. I thought, wow, why am I not here? Why am I not doing this or that? It's okay because we all progress differently, and nobody's is a linear thing. It's just a different thing for everybody. It's going to look different for everybody. It doesn't matter. Any type of surgery you have, it's like that. So knee surgery is no different. So please, 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 you can look, if you hopefully have a good support there, you can talk to people, but the best person to talk to is if you have serious concerns is always going to be your doctor. Always, always. But please do not compare yourself to anybody else because your recovery is your recovery alone. So this journey has taught me so much. I did not go into it ever expecting that it would have taught me this much. But it's not just about the recovery. It's about patience. It's about grace and slowly getting yourself back to feeling like you again, And it's a journey that nobody's going to really understand until you go through it. So, as my channel says, this is called Now She Blooms. I'm in the next season of my life. And I turned 60. So this is a huge milestone for me, having my channel, reaching that number and, overcoming a very scary surgery, which I did. I did it. And I feel fantastic about it. We're strong. We're stronger than we give ourselves credit for. Whether you're a man, a woman, we are much, much stronger. So if you've been through knee replacement or if you are approaching it and you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. If you've been through knee surgery and you have any, recovery tips, please share them because I know it'll help others out there. And, I'm really happy you're here with me on my channel because I'm going to continue, but now I'm going to kind of transition a little bit towards more what I want to focus on, and that is cooking and lifestyle and just everyday beautiful blessings, the good, the bad, and everything in between. And I really hope you'll follow me here, and I look forward to just seeing where life takes us together. And I hope if you are going into having knee surgery soon, I wish you the very, very best. You are going to do phenomenal. Phenomenal. I'm telling you, you've got this. You've totally got this.